Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to host your static website using AWS S3. This is a perfect for portfolio, landing page or even a small vlogs. So let's get started. First of all, log into AWS console and then go to S3 and then click on create bucket. So it asks for bucket name. Now the bucket name should be unique, so it should be completely unique for all around the world. So this should be something much like an website address. So I'm just going to put here for my demo purpose my static site demo. So let's see if this works or not. So yeah, everything should be by default, but it is, and just create a bucket. As you can see, this name already exists. Somebody already have created a bucket with this name. So I'm just going to put something that tries to make it uniquely identified. So I'm just going to put 99988 and create it. So this creates the bucket. So a bucket with this name is not available, or like this is not being created by anyone. So this is the first name. After the bucket creation, we need to uncheck all the blocks of public access. So just go to the bucket, go to the permission, and as you can see, the public access is block is completely on. Go to edit and unblock it and set the changes. So this is not secure, but for our demo purpose, to host a website we need to do this. We can even make it secure, but for this video context it is not important. Confirm. Okay, now we need to upload a file to our S3 bucket. So I have a file in my PC. I'll just upload all of this in the bucket. So you need to make sure like there should be an index.html file just within the root of the bucket. So once the file is uploaded, you can go to bucket. So as you can see, the index file is over here. So just make sure the index file should be just at the root of this bucket, not inside any folder. So we can create a folder over here, but make sure the index file is not inside any folder. Okay, so that's the point. I will share this website with you guys. Now let's go to our settings and enable static website. Go to properties, search for static web hosting and click on edit and just enable it. So as you can see, it will search for index.html. If you have an index.html file within the folder, then you just need to find like folder/index.html. So this will be a folder name. So in our case, we don't have a folder, or we don't have an index.html file within a folder, so you can just remove the folder name, and by default it takes index.html file. And yeah, static enable, hosting type should be static website. Everything done. Let's save the changes. Okay, now go to our bucket, go to properties, and you can see now we got our bucket endpoint. Let's try to copy it and open a new tab. So it says forbidden, we don't have access to it. So why is that? So there are two things. The first thing is we change the permission. By default it was blocked and we unblocked it, but the next thing is we need to also define our bucket policy. Let's go to edit and I'm going to copy some IAM codes from the guide. I will share this guide with you guys. Copy this, paste it over here. Let's just go through this once again. So the statement says it allows what? It allows everything from where? From AWS S3 bucket, and which resource? So particularly we need to define the name of the bucket over here. So our bucket name is my static demo 9988. Paste it over here, and make sure you put slash and asterisk over here. This asterisk means everything in the file. Okay, so let's just go through this once again. We are allowing everything from the bucket to everyone. Okay, so that's the concept over here. Save this. Now let's go to our properties and click on this website again. Now you can see we got our website up and running. So depending upon what file you put, so I put this particular files, I will share this with you. So our website is up and running. See, so you can just host anything over here that is static in a sense, like we don't need a backend over here. We cannot host backend, only the JavaScript, HTML and CSS code. If your website composed of those things, then they are completely functional like this. So that's all. Thank you.